Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am finally back. Are y'all excited to see me? So I'm finally back. I know I've been said I was gonna come back, but yeah, I've been working. I've been working. I finally have a consistent job. So God is humbling me right now. So I am currently working at the job that like my very first job that I started working at. Like that's the job that I'm working now. Like I really didn't want to go back there, but I was like, well, it's either go back there or be stuck. But anyway, so I decided to go back to my old job where I get tips and stuff. And the tips been tipping. Like people out here are tipping good, like 20s, 10, 30s and stuff like that. And yeah, but that's a good thing. And I've been on several interviews as well, like several interviews. And then the job that I did not want to go back to, that's the job that stuck and came through. And I'm like, it's a reason why that job stuck. Because one, God trying to humble me. And two, he trying to open up doors for other opportunities. Because my job that I did go back to, it kind of opened up a door for another job. So I'm going to be starting a new job pretty soon because I got another job offer. And I'm excited about that. So I'm not going to be at my current job too much longer. But I am going to miss those tips or whatever. But I'm not going to get into too much details about the job or whatever. Like, if you know, you know. If you can figure it out, you can figure it out. But yeah, I don't need to get too much detail. But anyway, I am back now that I got my household together and everything. I just wasn't comfortable, doing YouTube until I had everything straight. So now everything's straight now. So now I feel comfortable doing, extracurricular activities or whatever. I mean, YouTube is cool, but I'm not getting a check from YouTube right now. So I had to focus on what's going to give me a check, like, right now. So, yeah. And also, I got other channels as well. So, I'm about to switch my gaming channel to another channel. But anyway, you don't have to worry about those channels. Focus on this channel right here. But anyway, so in today's video, I got some nostalgia shorts that I got custom made. I got 11 pairs of these, and I was thinking about splitting it into 2 videos. But I'm like, nah, I need to let these videos stretch. So it's going to be in 3 parts. So I'm going to show 3 pairs in one video, and then another 3 pair, and then the second video, and then make 4 pairs in the next video. I think, yeah. So it's going to be like 3 videos. So I need to make this stretch, so I can keep my, content consistent or whatever. So, all right. Anyway, nostalgia short. So I got these custom made. Basically, 90s, 90s sitcom, all the sitcoms that we grew up on back in the day, and all of our faves. And this one is all that. And then it's in a size medium, and it actually fits up to an extra large. So yeah, so I got a medium. So it's super stretchy though. And I just paired it up with a shirt that I probably got from AliExpress. And that's it. Yeah. Alright. Next. I'm using natural light. Like natural lights. I don't even want to use my ring light because I need to be able to see. Anyway, next. Okay, so this one is House Party. I had to do House Party. House Party is one of my favorite 90s movie. House Party 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4. You get more House Party in the back. You can't really see it much in the front. But yeah. And this is good to wear like at a house party or maybe a barbecue or something like that. Yeah. But I don't know. For myself, I probably wear it around the house. But then again, I might. I don't know. I might. Yeah. Y'all like? Y'all like? I might have to zoom out a little bit more so y'all can see these legs. These legs, I've been working out. Y'all need to see these legs. They get, look at that, building muscle up in that leg. Yeah, especially this right leg. Look at that muscles. I've been working out consistently. Going to work and still working out. Because I ain't lazy. Alright. Next. I hope it don't rain again. It's been raining like every day in Georgia. I need my natural light. I don't want to lose my natural light. Alright, y'all. Next. Alright. Next is Boys in the Hood. Boys in the Hood. And that's also one of my favorite movies. Pretty much everybody's favorite movie. Favorite 90s hood movie. And it basically just say Boys in the Hood. And y'all know the most iconic scene in the movie is when Ricky got shot. So yeah. That's this one. And I just paired it up with my black Tupac crop shirt that y'all already seen already. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to get those angles in. But yeah, this was a nice pair up though. Not too bad. But alright, y'all. So I am going to end this part right here, and then I will do the other pairs in the next video. So stay tuned for the next video. These videos definitely have to be not too short, but I've been working, and when I'm working, I'm on my feet constantly. So really, I need to be using my off days to stay off my feet. And I'm on my feet right now, and I can already feel it, like my feet saying, get off your feet right now. I'm like, I'm trying to. You know, but I wanted to do these videos and get back consistent or whatever. That's why I think I mentioned before I couldn't multitask. I couldn't work a job and do YouTube at the same time. But I can, though. It depends on the job. I can, though. But with this new job that I'm about to get, I ain't going to be on my feet like that. I'm going to be mostly sitting down. So, it ain't going to be too much longer. But I'm trying to get these videos out. So, yeah. Anyway, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you made it towards the end of the video, drop a purple heart. And yeah, do y'all miss me? Because ain't nobody said nothing. But anyway, stay tuned for the next one. I got more shorts to come. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next one. Bye.